Today what I want to talk about is all the different colors and how you should take care of it to maintain it. Basically, my Leather Clear was specifically designed for riders to clean, condition, and waterproof all your leathers, all your different colors. Sure, the leather black's got a dye in it, and that's what you use for the black leather, but these ones are brown. Let me show you what it does for that. You spray just a little bit on there, very simple to use. Then you take the sponge and you give it a good scrub. And what it does, it actually cleans it like a saddle soap, removes the dirt. That opens the pores of the skin. And it is skin, and like your own, it needs to be clean, moisturized, and protected. Not only does this clean it like a saddle soap, but the lanolin oil softens the skin, and then the blend of waxes leave a dry coat on there that prevent the water from getting in and staining your leather as well. Now, once you've cleaned it, you need to add a little extra, and what this does is it actually leaves a coherent finish of the wax on there that gives it the protective coat that repels the water, the dirt, the dust, and everything else. Now, of course, we don't want your riding leathers to be all goofy and shiny. This actually will dry to a matte finish for you. Simple as that. But you can see the way the leather came back, the way the colors come back just by adding the moisture back to the skin. And what's nice about this formula is it leaves a dry wax. It's not slick, it's not slippery, it doesn't attract the dirt and dust. So if you have a bike seat that has a little bit of white stitching on it, that's exactly what this product was designed for, to give it a clean, protective coat that's not slick or slippery, but yet keeps the elements out and waterproofs your leather as well. That's the Leather Clear. Now, this product was actually designed for all your exotic seats, whether you've got ostrich or whether you got the multicolors or whether you got inlay or simply just a black seat with the white stitching. It's the perfect product because it cleans it, oils it, and leaves a protective wax on there that's not slippery, that's going to help prevent your leather from drying out and cracking, causing problems. That's the Leather Clear. Perfect product for you.